Today we are visiting Palais de la Découverte, a must-see in the center of Paris. It has recently been reopened after 5 years of renovation. Admission is free. It's ideal for a family or cultural outing. It is open every day except Mondays, and you can check out the official website before planning your visit. Palais de la Découverte is at the west wing of the Grand Palais. Its location is very central and it's easily accessible by Metro Line 1, the Champs-Elysées-Clemenceau Station. Palais de la Découverte has a direct access to Grand Palais, which is another architectural gem. Grand Palais, illuminated by daylight thanks to its glass and steel structure, hosts many events throughout the year. The highlight of the palace is the elliptical glass dome, made of over 600 glass panels, which floods the main hall with natural lights and creates a breathtaking sense of space. This vast, monumental hall, where metal and glass meet elegance, has become both an architectural marvel and a symbol of discovery in Paris. The building was a historical palace, Palais d'Antin. Then it was first unveiled as part of the 1937 International Exhibition. Its mission was to bring science out of labs and into public life through live experiments and demonstrations. What began as a temporary showcase won immediate acclaim, with over 2 million visitors in just 6 months, and was soon made permanent in 1938. It established a pioneering format for science museums. It invited audiences to experiment, engage, and discover. Over decades, it became Paris's prime center for interactive exhibitions across disciplines like mathematics, astronomy, chemistry, and biology. After the renovations, now the visitors can rest in the vast halls, visit the bookshop and the gift shop, chill at the cafe, and dine in the restaurant. The facades of the Palais de la Découverte, as part of the Grand Palais, reflect the monumental Beaux-Arts style of early 20th century. They combine classical stone architecture with large glass surfaces and sculptural details, giving the building both elegance and grandeur. From Avenue Franklin Roosevelt, the facade is richly decorated with columns, reliefs, and allegorical figures. It is embodying the union of art, science, and progress that the Palais represents. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next video.